Hello tourists, hope you are having a wonderful day today tourists. Um, Before I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna be doing in this video, I'm talking really quiet because there's a danger of dogs. You hear that barking, guys. Um, don't say anything, you tourists. It's actually a neighbor's dog's barking. It's coming from actually, next door. So, we're gonna be actually taking a look at, two Carrier air conditioners today. Have to be really careful because you hear that barking. You tourists have to wait until it's safe. Where I am right now, you tourists, I am in Uncle Ricky's backyard right now. Um, you tourists, I'm just being really quiet to talk about our own business. There's something. You tourists, I'm not going over. So let me explain something. There is actually a sign that says something. It says, let me explain what it says. So let me put my camera down. See what it says. It says, please, let me say that again. Please keep all lawn chemicals a safe distance from this property. Thank you. So, we have to keep chemicals from a safe distance from from this property. So it says, please keep a safe distance. Yeah, it's this property right here, the next door neighbor, and I believe the neighbor lives there for about like 30 years. I'm just trying to make sure until it's like a safe time to like film the air conditioners, but in our yard, not their yard. So I don't know how long they lived there. Oh no, I don't think it's safe. I have to hear that barking, you tourists. Man. Yeah, you tourists. Man, it's so yeah, you tourists. Also, what I heard was I heard there were kids in the playground, of course, because your children can play. Man, hear all that barking. It's like the sign when you hear that barking at first. I cannot show you the Carrier air conditioners until it's a safe time, like until he's not in the yard, until he's not in his yard. First, this is actually taking a while because I don't know. First. So guys, I'm gonna have to mind our own business. We don't need to talk about him, of course. It's just, let's mind our own business. I know he has like 7 dogs. That's what the other YouTuber said. That's my mom. So we're gonna take a look at those. We're gonna take a look at those 2 Carrier air conditioners, but until it's safe, because Papa Ray said that they're one of my seniors. That he'll get mad at me, of course. Just trying to get a safe distance from this from his property. So I know Eaters. I'm glad you're waiting patiently in this video, Eaters. Where he's like right now, it's like a little far down there in his property. So I don't know, Eaters. Um. Yeah, this is dangerous because you see, danger of dogs. That's the thing. I'm trying to be really careful, YouTubers, in my yard. Yeah, YouTubers have to be careful because it says danger of dogs on the window. That's why. We're gonna take a look at it, but not definitely in the yard. Their yard, YouTubers. I'm also trying to secretly not be seen. So guys, let me take a look at what's happening. We've been waiting for like almost 7 minutes. Well, let me see what's happening. Where's... Okay. Is he still walking out there? I have no idea. Did he go? I'm not sure. This is... I don't know. Is he still... Yeah, YouTubers, I apologize about the waiting. Well, I'm glad... Okay, he's still walking the dog. He's like somewhere way down in his yard somewhere. I just don't want you to mind his business. While we're waiting, I just want to let you know that YouTubers, there was like one time I was exactly in this property for like I was there for 2 seconds and I left, but he was not there, recording a video of the the 2 air conditioners. But this happened about like 5 years ago, YouTubers. So YouTubers, this happened about like 5 years ago, YouTubers. And I was in the property, but there was no sign about a safe distance from the property, and I was there for 2 seconds, and I was out of the property, the neighbor's property, and plus he lives next door. We've been almost waiting quadruple. We almost been waiting for like 10 minutes. There was also one time I tried to wave at him, but he's just quiet. He lived there for possibly like almost 30 years, or maybe even 30 years. Uh-oh. Remember, danger of dogs. I'm always putting so what I'm doing is I'm putting myself at risk right now. Being safe, trying not to be... So, the reason why he possibly puts these signs is because these kind of dogs, they can jump over these fences. Like, see that fence? The dog can actually jump over the fence, like, and hurt you, eat you. I'm trying to be really careful. It hurts because I don't even know him. Okay, guys, I'm not going in there. I'm just going to stay a safe distance from this property. Okay, I'm not allowed to go in because the sign over there. I'm trying to be careful because it's not... So let me whisper this. It is actually... Come on, guys. I don't even know he's. Guys. Guys, is he still out there? No, I'm just talking about, like, just don't mind his business. Don't, like, say mean things. Like, remember, there's, like, a sign that he wants to have personal space, like, so, I don't even know if he's still out there. I'm trying to be really careful not to, like, be eaten by a dog, because I know he has a total of 7, or maybe even 9. Who knows? Oh, he's still out there, guys. We've been waiting for over 10 minutes, and he's still walking the dog. Don't see tourists don't say a thing about him. Zoom in. My grandpa said he's also quiet. Let me just turn this camera also. Guys, we've been waiting 12 minutes. Where is he? Yeah, we're both strangers. He doesn't know me, and I don't him. I don't know him, and he doesn't know me. There's one time it kind of hurt my feelings. Never ignore somebody, because that would rather hurt their feelings. So guys, I'm not sure if it's safe to record the air conditioners, but not in their property. I mean, like, in my property, but I'm not walking over there because of the sign. We're just gonna film it from over here. I cannot actually show you the fan, like the inside of the air conditioner, because he doesn't want anybody on his property. He's still out there? We only been like out here for like 15 minutes waiting, YouTubers. Well, I'm so glad that you're waiting patiently. Let me know if you were patient in the comment section below. I don't know what's happening because the sign says danger of dogs. I know I'm like not minding my business. The Sunday evening, I think right now it's 7:50, so it's almost like dusk. Yeah, be aware, YouTubers. Let me know if you ever have a neighbor that's next door that has a sign, danger of dogs. Yeah, I don't know. We've been waiting for almost like 15 minutes because I don't know what we're gonna do. YouTubers. Yeah, we've been waiting for like 14 and a half minutes, and I cannot film it because he doesn't want anybody on the property, but I'm not going in this. So let me explain what the plan is. We're gonna be filming the air conditioners, but let me show you how. Okay, guys, this is gonna be pretty dangerous because, as I said, there's a sign that says danger of dogs on the window. Here's what I mean. Oh. Let me just open the gate here. Oh, bother. Oh no. Yeah, that is an issue, and unfortunately, I cannot tell you. The reason why is just because I have to be really careful if I'm ever walking out here and he's out there like walking his dogs or something. I don't know if he's like just giving them a walk or they're like um 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 he's just like letting the dogs poo or pee. Because he doesn't even put decorations that I know of. So now, I don't know if he's out there still. Because he's usually out there for like 15 minutes. Because that's to my calculation. Alright guys. Here is the air conditioners. There's actually, he has two. You can see. I'm not allowed to go on the property. There are the alright, first now I was talking quietly because there was two dogs earlier. I was trying not to be barked by one of the owner's dogs. So there was two Carrier air conditioners. They're very clean. On the front it says Carrier, and the air conditioners are very clean. On top, the covers are clean. It has that Mel Bank thing. See that box thingy? See the air conditioners? They're very nice though. They're smaller though than our air conditioner. Yeah. They're very tiny. They're nearby a fence. And I believe the person lived. Hold on, guys, I'm being really. Oh, I'm putting myself at risk at the moment. I've been out here for like maybe around like 17 minutes, or maybe like around almost about a half hour, and I'm also being really careful because these dogs. Hold on, let me say one thing. The reason why he put that sign, danger of dogs, is because these dogs, as he walks the dogs, these dogs, even with the leash, can jump over that fence that is in his property where nobody wants him to like nobody to go in his property. But don't say a mean thing, YouTubers, because he lives there for 30 years. Tito already told me that I know of. I believe we have yeah. He'll get mad usually if I do something in his property. Yeah. So that's why I'm talking really quiet. Because I don't know how long he walks the dogs. Eventually. Our air conditioner in this house, it's a little bigger, but I can show you. We don't have a sign like this, YouTubers. Let me just. So, usually, we don't have a sign like that. There's a Carrier air conditioner. It's over there, as you can see. See it? Yeah. I'm not recording that Carrier air conditioner. We're taking a look at these two, baby Carrier air conditioners. Both of them look pretty clean to me, and don't need cleaning at all. Guys, let me just go from a close distance to a close-up. Put my camera on. Let's zoom in. They look both like they're off at the moment. These two Carrier air conditioners are actually off to me. Okay, looks like one of them actually turned on. You can see the plants moving. It looks like possibly maybe both of them actually turned on at the same time. Who knows? Let me know in the comment section below if you do know about Carrier air conditioners. You can see they're very cute. I can't even tell if I can't even tell hold on. I don't know if both air conditioners are on, but of course I'm not gonna film him because he's also very quiet. That's what my grandpa's opinion is. So I'll stop filming the air conditioners once he pops up again. Yeah, those air conditioners, they're cute looking. So it looks like there's no dogs out there. So what I'm gonna do, I have a dog, YouTubers, but I don't walk it in the yard. I'm also gonna let you know that about whoever lives in this house, it's very dangerous because he has like 9 or 10 dogs, and I don't know how you can take care of him. So those are the Carrier air conditioners. There are 2 male banks you could see because you could see there's 1, 2. See, there's one for each air conditioner. Like the one on the left has a male bank that connects to it, and the one on the right has 1 male bank. So that's how Carrier air conditioners work, or all air conditioners work. Yeah, it's super dangerous, YouTubers, if I walk over here because I need a social distance 6 feet away because of this coronavirus, COVID-19. Also, I saw 2 people walking down. And just show you guys. You can kind of hear the air conditioners running. Usually, YouTubers, air conditioners turn on when the temperature in the house is very hot, YouTubers. Like Carrier air conditioners. Tell me what your favorite kind of type of air conditioners. Oh, looks like the one on the right actually started turning on. This one right here. Yeah, it's super dangerous because there's a sign that I saw. Let me just zoom out. Let me show you what it looks like horizontally, YouTubers. So, those are the air conditioners. You can see it. They're very clean. This house actually, the house next door actually has 2 air conditioners, as I said. Have to be really careful not to, because I know there was like a dog barking. I was being barked by a dog, one of the owner's dogs. So yeah, and on the top center it says Carrier. That's what it says in the center part of the air conditioner on both air conditioners. So okay guys, I have to be really careful. So you can hear the air conditioner is quite running. If I zoom in. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. You can kind of hear the sound from the air conditioner. It's actually blowing one of the plants. Right now it's almost like 8 o'clock at night, and I'm here at Willowbrook. We're gonna leave around like 10 o'clock in like 2 hours or something. The air conditioners, they look pretty nice to me. Yeah, also I'm putting myself, right now I'm putting myself at risk. Just let me zoom in like that. So, um, here's what it looks like from the left side. Like, here's what it looks like from the corner. Here's what it looks like. Okay, I'm trying to social distance. Here's what it looks like. So, guys, we have to. Guys. I have an idea. We are going to actually. I'm gonna try not to be seen by the owner that has those dogs behind those bricks. Okay, tourists. The one way down there. Tourists, like where that shelf thing is. That's where we're gonna hide behind the bricks, so I won't be barked by a dog once again. He's been living there for like 30 years or something. I don't know. Like he lived here possibly at the same time since we moved in this house. It's like, this house is 30 years old. Very old, though. Yeah, you don't need to worry about me seeing if the dog is there, or if the dogs are there in his yard or not in his yard. Hold on, guys. It's getting a little windy. Yeah, today it was kind of drizzling. Like, the way it was. What I mean by drizzling is like when it rains, but very lightly. That's what drizzling means. Yeah, I'm not like trying to hurt his feelings or anything. I'm just showing you the air conditioners. But I'm not sure if he's gonna come out at this time because it's late. Okay, guys, that air conditioner is actually. I don't know which air conditioner turned on. Turned on. Oh, it's coming from over there. That's the one. The air conditioner is running. Or actually, both are on. I only been in that yard once when that sign was not there. Here's what it looks like on the side of this shelf. Looks like one of them actually shut off. So it looks like the one on the left possibly shut off on me. Or turned off. Or I don't know, the neighbor turned it off. And we'll turn it back on. Yeah, I have to stand 6 feet away with this social distancing. I'm not trying to be dangerous or anything. Just showing you the air conditioners and stuff like that. Let me see what it looks like from all the way above here. Can't even see the logo, the Carrier logo. Yeah, I can already hear cricket chirping, which means it's nighttime. The air conditioner has like those square things on the bricks. Okay, looks like both air conditioners shut off. So now it's safe. We're safe because there's no outdoors. Like the owner. Yeah. I don't know if he comes out at nighttime. It's a good question. I've never seen that before. Does he come outside and bring the dogs outdoors? Good question. I'm not sure. But I'm not messing around with him or anything. And that's why he's coming out. It's just bring his dogs out. That's what he does. Yeah, like the sign when he's out there, when it's dangerous and you hear barking noise, that's the sign he's outside, taking his dogs outside in his yard. Yeah, they're next door. Those kind of air conditioners are Carriers. They're both Carriers, the same model that I know of. Yeah, pretty dangerous when dogs are around, and I have to also lower. Remember, I'm gonna lower my voice when the dog pops up, or when the owner of the dogs pops up. I'm also trying to be really. I'm really putting myself at risk big time right now. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, I'm also remembering about those two signs. There's also a little one. Yes, this. I can't tell what it says, but anyway. Oh, let me just zoom out a little bit. I don't know if he's still gotta take the. Does he take the dogs out at night? I don't know. Oh no. Just trying to be super careful. There are the air conditioners. The mouth bank on the one on the. You can see there's two air conditioners. You can see the mouth bank on the one on the lefty towards is kind of hard to see. Is because the plant is actually blocking the metal bank thing, but on the one on the right is easier to see. As you can see, they both say Carrier, so they gotta be the same model because they look exactly the same to my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, I apologize about the long video because I just don't want to film him on camera. Yeah, I'm really into air conditioners and stuff like that. So I'm also thinking, YouTubers, do you like these kind of air conditioners? I do. Yeah, I've been waiting YouTubers for a while now. So those kind of air conditioners, they're Carriers, both Carriers. YouTubers. Still waiting to see if something will pop up. Yeah, we're not going over there, of course, because we need to mind our business. They're also very tiny air conditioners. I'm watching really carefully not to be seen because hold on. Guys, I've been waiting for like almost about like a half hour. He has not popped up because it's like it's 16 minutes. It's like 16 minutes after 8 in the evening. So yeah, YouTubers, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike, comment below, being a fan. So you always know it. Peace out.